In a remarkable display of technological prowess, SpaceX has successfully launched yet another group of Starlink satellites from the vibrant Space Coast of Florida. This latest mission took place on Wednesday morning, with the Falcon 9 rocket lifting off precisely at 7:10 a.m. from the Cape Canaveral space station. What makes this launch particularly noteworthy is that it marked the second flight of the first stage booster utilized for this mission, showcasing SpaceX's commitment to reusability and efficiency in space travel. After the rocket stages separated, the first stage booster made a triumphant return, landing safely on a drone ship positioned in the Atlantic Ocean. This achievement not only highlights the advancements in rocket technology, but also emphasizes SpaceX's ongoing efforts to expand global internet access through its Starlink satellite constellation. As we witness these launches, it's essential to consider the broader implications of such technology. SpaceX's Starlink project aims to provide high-speed internet to underserved areas around the world, potentially transforming how we connect and communicate. But here's where it gets controversial. While many celebrate the benefits of increased connectivity, others raise concerns about space debris and the environmental impact of launching numerous satellites into orbit. What do you think? Are the advantages of global internet access worth the potential risks associated with satellite proliferation? Join the conversation and share your thoughts.